Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat ba ka Net Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jongpi.
Ka Khasi Students Union ka balai trailang rengkat-rengkat bat ka All Manipur Students Union ban lai jingo ya ka jingsham lanot jong ki Khasi ki basong basa ha ki lai teli ki shnong ki baha ba po pur sam jong ka Tamenglong District jong ka jilla Manipur ha ka sni tho ding jong ka Henril tarik ubnai jemang arajar arpuar ki nongelam jong ka seng ha po ka jingelam jong General Secretary Usamla Donald B Thaba ki lalaj banya kendo yo menteri rangba jong ka jilla Manipur UN Biren Singh ban pensngo ha u halor ki jing baki Khasi ki yakendo hagni ke jilla kad baka jingkren kadang ya Shakhmat Biren Singh marmar ula telefon ya Deputy Commissioner jong ka Tamenglong District ban pha kendang ye ki breu ki basa be anya ki shnong bala buhai shnong da ki Khasi.
Hadin juga jing syam gejungi daga jing lek hiar lu kejat hi gejungi nakan yang kaseng napo ka ki isu seng kemi napo Barak Bali Circle tunjuk napo Barak Bali Kasih Welfare Organization. Hadin mengila syam ya ki jing mengila semua markhmat ki jing bagi para dok para senam gejungi besong besar ko Manipur ki syam ta kalong ke jing sha dakhol ke jing sha klun jupor justi ki jaka juki ha ki koi bangli di nakaliang kejungi nila ya keren no bagi nongelam joko All Manipur Students Union kamtan ya di Sinam Prakasing bagi Secretary General joko North East Students Organization but nakaliang kejungi kila sokhu kita ni isu ramar bakal ni isu ke bah ede kita ki poi kita ki poi wer nakaliang kejungi ru nomor bidan kejungi cikit kila pendio ini ka appointment bagi Chief Minister bagi su tenap bagi Chief Minister klub pensakten ini ka kam bagi kawan no mar di mentakasi tinggal ayo punya kendu yang Chief Minister kumba Ndrusteng punya gunai mat kalau kiki bersetunat bah kajing keren kajing pensyai kajing mat Chief Minister ke Manipur and Biren Singh ulah nak kali yang ngajuku mardor hi ulah sim yang kira yang tuang tu kam dah perkat kam dah panpor nak kali yang ngeseng hendrei ulah phone baik yang tu yang DC juga Tamenglong District but hak pok phone ulah keren persya bagi ubah Om dia penting di Jaka Khasi berjadi tu ki mender itu ki poye buan klun jumor justi ya Jaka jong Khasi dia kendang nomor dor kata ulah ai ka jengkran ba kaju kapor memorandum jengiru ulah ai jeng tho ba dia berhak sport Deputy Commissioner jong ka Tamenglong District berkunjuru yu Deputy Commissioner jong ka Jiribam hakaba hangni ulah tho ba dia ban khendra ban kendang no mardor ya kini ki poye ki bala klun daki spa ki ekar hektar jongki Jaka jongki Khasi. Pat om tang kata Hendrei Chief Minister jongka Manipur lapan snow bangi ba antadap kandang ni kini kana ban like ni ke jeng syak penting adin habut pada ni kini ki poi wir pula penting hangi ba nadu pula penterekam ya kini ka an inline permit apa jila Manipur usiam dakan ni ka an hi pendekam mat penher kerat no pada ya kini poi ki ba wan song thap song da apa diberi di Jaka require tempo jung Khasi hang te po kedagar Khasi village but ki kishnam.
I myself Sinam Prakasing, the Secretary General of North Students Organization. NESO which comprises of the Apex Students Organization of the 7 states, and Khasi Student Union is one of the component organization of NESO, and All Manipur Student Union is also the component organization of NESO. Under the banner of NESO, a team of Khasi Students Union comprising of 18 members came to Imphal, Manipur yesterday, having a complaint of the harassment done to the Khasi peoples who are residing in Manipur, in Jiribam and Tamenglong district, in that border area. Their complaint is they have been staying in this place since 1939-40s, and since 2008, till 2008 they were residing peacefully, but after 2008 they have been harassed by the illegal migrants. The land has been encroached by these illegal migrants and disturbed their, and even threatened them. So they came here and we had a round of meeting, and today the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri Nongthaman Biren Singh, the Honorable Sir has given us appointment, and we had a meeting with the Chief Minister. We discussed thoroughly about this matter, and very fortunately we are very thankful to the Chief Minister of Manipur for addressing this issue immediately. He immediately called the Deputy Commissioner of the Tamenglong district to intervene the matter, to give full protection to the Khasis residing there, and he also instructed him to immediately evict the illegal encroachers. And it is a very positive outcome, and we are very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister and his government for taking the step immediately and solving the issue immediately. So these 7 northeastern states, our northeastern states, 7 states, though we are politically divided, but mentally we are one. The entire 7 northeastern states are one emotionally, mentally, and if any problem faced by the indigenous people, wherever it may be in Manipur or it may be in Meghalaya, we will stand together, we will fight together. We are one, and we will always stand one and together, and we will always solve the issues together.